If you're planning to sign out of your Apple ID on your Mac but you're worried about losing your important files, don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to safely sign out of your Apple account without losing your data. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, before you start, make sure your Mac is connected to Wi-Fi. A stable internet connection is important to sync and update your data properly. Now click on Apple menu at the top left corner and choose System Settings. On the System Settings, tap the Apple ID name at the top of the screen. On the right side, click on iCloud and then See All. Here, ensure that important items like photos, contacts, notes, calendar, and files are synced properly. If not, enable syncing and wait for the data to download to your Mac. After downloading the data, go back to your Apple account and click on Sign Out. A pop-up will ask you which data you want to keep on your Mac. So select the items you want to keep like contacts, calendar, Safari, password, etc. Then click Keep a Copy. Your Mac will save this data locally so you won't lose anything even after signing out. Next, enter your Apple ID password to turn off Find My Mac. This is necessary before signing out. After entering the password, your Mac will save the selected data locally and remove the iCloud account. After signing out, your data will remain safe on your Mac's local drive. So guys, you have now successfully signed out of your Apple ID on your Mac without losing your important files. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy Mac and iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.